Hello friends, warm greeting to all. Today I want to recite a school pledge. The school pledge is a vital tradition that inspires the students to uphold moral values and become responsible citizens. It raises awareness about their duties towards their country, society, and community. So, here's a school pledge focused on students' discipline and respect, suitable for recitation at school. Number one, the first point is the pledge. The student will speak, I pledge to be a responsible and respectful member of this school community. Second point, I will strive to learn to the best of my teachers with courtesy and always uphold the values of honesty, integrity, and kindness. Third point, I will strive to be a responsible and courteous member of our school community, my family, and for my country. Number four, I will follow the school's dress code and rules of conduct and always be punctual. Fifth point, I will participate actively and respectfully in class discussion and activities. Sixth point, I will maintain a clear and respectful learning environment. Point 7, I will not engage in bullying and any other forms of negativity. Point 8, I pledge to be a responsible and safe road user. I will always follow traffic rules, obey traffic signals, and maintain discipline. I ensure to be a responsible driver, pedestrian, rider, and cyclist. Point 9, I ensure that I will not use mobile phones in class and I will not use the mobile phones while driving. 10th point is I ensure not to take alcohol or drugs. Point 11 is I promise to learn and practice all good values in my life which are imbibed in me by my school. 12th and last point, I always gain knowledge and utilize it for the future of my country. Thank you.